So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Myself Rajeev, Ranjan, and you're watching the Aviation Mind. And yes, welcome back to the first long video of 2026. तो I'm sure आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों को तो बहुत कुछ पता होगा, लेकिन मैं 2026 में क्या प्लान है अपना एविएशन को लेकर, अपना ऐप को लेकर, अपना वेबसाइट को लेकर, मैं आपको ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊंगा. थोड़ा सा मैं आपको बताऊंगा, जस्ट ब्रीफ दूंगा ताकि आपको आइडिया लग जाए कि 2026 में जो हमारा कंटेंट है वो बहुत हेल्प करने वाला है आप लोग को. ओके, सो क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट वीडियो है 2026 का, सो यू मस्ट हैव सम एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम द एविएशन माइंड कंटेंट कि यार आप 2026 में नया क्या ला रहे हो, व्हाट न्यू इज़ कमिंग ऑन द एविएशन माइंड. तो सबसे पहला कंटेंट जो मैं 2025 और उसके पहले से जो मैं चलाता आ रहा हूँ, जो मैं 2026 में भी टेक ओवर करूँगा, वो है AME सीरीज सेशन 2026. This will be our first series. The second series that I'm going to add in 2026 is pilot series session 2026, because most of you guys have queried about pilot, and as we are starting our pilot ground classes in the app itself, so yeah, it is mandatory to give you guys some information about pilot. But yeah, the question arises like, are you a pilot? So how should you give the knowledge about pilot? So let me tell you, I am not a pilot, but yeah, I have the information and I have the support of the pilot, those who are continuously guiding me that how to guide you guys, that how to, and very soon I'm going to launch him on the Aviation Mind, and he will gonna support you on app also, the Aviation Mind. Okay, as an aviation lover, I also want to know more about pilots, and I have gathered a lot of information regarding pilot that I want to share with you guys. So 2026, so in year 2026 we'll taking this part also, pilot series session 2026. And the third topic that I'm gonna create in 2026 is the Aviation Mind app, pilot and RTR course updates, and of course AME course updates. Next one is the Aviation Mind website updates. Yes guys, as you all know that my YouTube channel is The Aviation Mind, and by the same name I have the Aviation Mind app where you can study, you can prepare the modules. So I am very proud to announce that we have the aviationmind.com website also, where you can go and study various blogs related to aviation. So I'll keep on updating about our websites. So the next topic that I'm going to touch in 2026 is the Aviation Mind app updates. Like you guys ask a lot of questions in the Aviation Mind app chat box, I will reply through video, proper video I'll make on your content. And next topic will be very interesting, and I personally love to do that, which is live sessions in 2026. Because I have missed live sessions a lot. Live session is very good for interaction purpose. So I'll come live at every Wednesday. Just keep in mind, every Wednesday 9 p.m. Just note it down. I'll come live in 2026 every Wednesday 9 p.m. The next topic will be your rapid Q&A sessions, rapid questions and answer sessions that you guys have asked me on various social media platforms like YouTube comment box, Google Forms, Instagram, the Aviation Mind Instagram, and Aviator Rajeev Ranjan Instagram. And the last two topics is not only important, it's mandatory, because everybody want job updates and aviation updates. So our next topic will be global aviation news, yani ki all the news that is happening in the aviation industry. It's not in India, it's worldwide. We're gonna cover that, so that you don't have to go anywhere else. You will get each and everything in the Aviation Mind app, the Aviation Mind YouTube channel, the Aviation Mind website itself. Now the last one, I'm sure everybody will gonna love it, aviation jobs series. So for this particular thing, I have prepared lot of lists of all the airlines, their websites. Will keep proper updates, will keep proper eyes on that vacancies, and we're gonna share with you guys. So these are some 9 topics that we will gonna cover in 2026.